Hello everyone, and welcome back to this place I like to call my channel. I am here today to do kind of a weird video of just like things I have coming up in the next couple of months. I'm in the process of doing my makeup, so that's why I look so crazy right now. I have my base and my eyebrows on, and I honestly am not feeling that great. I have been feeling like crap for the past week. Like, I have a cold, and I think it's just a sinus cold, but like, I just don't feel good, and I'm blaming the blooming of plants outside, and I don't know when I'm gonna feel better. Will I ever feel better? Because I want to feel better. Regardless, I still go for runs because I'm about that fitness life, I guess. But anyway, I feel like Friday I did not get to show everyone how awesome the Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette is. So I'm gonna do that while I talk about something exciting that's coming up in my life that I want to share. About a month or two ago, my husband and I decided to finally bite the bullet, and I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. And we both decided that we want to finally pursue our dream of going to Iceland. I know for everyone, I don't really share a lot of my personal stuff and like hopes, dreams, and aspirations online or with people because I feel like someone's calling me. I feel like I've just been made fun of so much for like what I love and what I take passion in, and it's just like, it's nobody's business. I feel happier when I'm not sharing that. So I keep a lot of stuff to myself. But anyway, Jake and we are going to Iceland, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's something that we've wanted to do pretty much since the Game of Thrones show has started, because they shoot in Iceland and they make it seem so beautiful, so serene. Just like it's an island filled with like ice, volcanoes. It's the land of fire and ice. And there's really no other place like it. It's considered Europe, but it's an island on its own. They have their own language. The island's the size of Maine, the state Maine in the US, and I don't know, that's just intriguing to me. They have beaches, they have volcanoes, like I said before, they have hot springs and baths, like geothermal baths like all over the island. And you can do the whole ring road around the island in about 5 days. And that's what we're gonna do. We are going to get a camper van and live like vagabonds, going from campsite to campsite on the island. So I think it's gonna be fun. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting. I'm probably not gonna be wearing much makeup, probably not gonna be doing my hair either, which is cool with me because that's what I do pretty much every day. So I'm just so excited to finally see some of these really beautiful places, these waterfalls and the scenery and some of the wildlife that's out there. It is gonna be pretty cold when we go. I'm gonna start doing my makeup while I talk. It's gonna be pretty cold when we go. It's gonna be like, roughly in the mornings it'll be around 32 degrees, and then in the afternoon it'll be around 55. So it'll be interesting. I mean, but that's basically how it was weather-wise in early fall when we were in Ohio. So I'm getting to break out some of the cold weather gear that I had while I lived in Ohio again. So I'm pretty excited about that because some of that stuff was cute. And I live on the Gulf Coast now, and I don't get to wear any of that stuff that I bought while I was there. So that's exciting to me. And I really like dressing for cooler weather. I think like you look more stylish in a way because you can layer clothing. So, but one of the things that I really want to see while we're there is Skogafoss. It's a giant waterfall and it's been in a couple of movies, I believe. I don't know, there's just so many, but there's like, I don't know, I'm getting ahead of myself. There's so many cool waterfalls and like caves, and I would like to see the puffins, but I don't think we're going to be able to see them. I don't think we're going to be in season. We're going at the end of September, and it's the beginning of fall here, but I think fall may have already started. Their seasons are a little different than ours because they're definitely a lot further north. But yeah, that's something really exciting that I have coming up that I'm just so excited. I can't wait. It's like I'm counting down. I looked at the countdown yesterday. I think it's like 100. It's over 130 days or so before we even go. And I'm already like on Amazon looking up like more warm weather gear of like what to bring and stuff when we're there. So the more information, the better. I mean, I'm not gonna be upset if anyone gives me any more pointers of like what to expect when we're there. I don't know how much. I love traveling. Like, I love traveling, but another part of me is getting to an age where I just want to settle down. Like, when I was in my early 20s, I was a flight attendant, and I don't really like tell a lot of people this unless they ask, but I'm so proud of that part of my life because I knew like when I got older I wanted a family and everything, so I wanted that part of my life like to go travel the world as much as possible. And like I saw so much. It was really just like I was a flight attendant for the continental US, and the farthest I got was Canada. I went to Toronto and I went to Winnipeg, Canada, and like, I'm so proud of myself for doing that because there's some people that don't even get to go to those places. And like, when I was a kid, I didn't really get to travel that much. So, but anyway, I feel like I'm rambling. But anyway, like, I'm just so glad that I had that opportunity and I put myself out there in order to go to those places. If you are someone that loves to travel and you don't know what you're doing with your life and you want to go find yourself, highly recommend becoming a flight attendant. It'll be hard. I mean, if you learn so much about yourself and you learn so much about other people. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm using like the warmer tone colors in this palette while I'm talking. I'm not really saying what I'm doing, I'm just kind of talking as I go. But anyway, back to Iceland, I got this monopod. I've never used a monopod before, but it's an Urban, that's the brand, monopod for my camera because I don't really like asking people to take pictures. I guess it's not selfies if you're taking it with someone else, but I don't like asking people to help me take a picture, so I bought this to take with us. It also doubles as a walking stick. But I got this for us in Iceland so we can just stick it in the ground and go and take pictures. But it's collapsible, so it fits in my suitcase. And I'm pretty excited about it. I think it was a pretty good purchase. But I'm just I'm such a nerd when it comes to like gadgets like this, so yeah. I got that from Amazon, and then I got like, hold on, I'll be right back. Which is really lightweight, but it's off the shoulder sweater, so you can't really see. But I'm sure you'll see it later in pictures, but I got that for Iceland as well. And then of course I've got, I got a whole bag almost all packed for like Iceland and like what I might be wearing when I'm there. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm thinking about doing a video of like what I'm going to be wearing while I'm there, or what I think I'm going to be wearing when I'm there, because I'm one of those people that's guilty of buying clothes when I'm on vacation because I'm just not feeling like what I packed. I'm so guilty of that. I do that a lot. So, oh well, it happens. So, also when I'm in Iceland, I want to vlog with Jake about our experience there. I will see how that goes. He's not one for really being good about talking on camera. He does great when he doesn't know he's being filmed, but if he knows he's being filmed, he'll probably like clam up or whatever. So I'll try and see like how that goes, but can't promise anything. The squeaky chair is killing me. I really love the colors in this palette. Oh my gosh. Like Lannister red. I throw into Dragon Smoke to smoke out this look on my eye and then I'm gonna smoke it out with this teeny tiny Morphe brush. And then I'm gonna put on some Demi Wispy eyelashes, so. I love how creamy these eye pencils are. Urban Decay like is unlike any other when it comes to eye pencils. Oh my gosh. Just so creamy. So creamy. Easy to blend. Okay, I'm gonna put on the lashes. And again, I've already put on my base. I feel like, I don't know, I need to smoke this out. I want to use like a little bit more of the red. So I'm going to blend Lannister red with Nymeria. And just kind of smoke out the edges. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now I'm using the Ardell Wispies, Demi Wispies in black. That's what we're using on my eyes today. What the? Oh, it came with little eyelash adhesive. That's interesting. Okay, so I'm back. I bronzed my face, put on some lashes and mascara. I did want to use again the Dracarys Game of Thrones lip and cheek stain, just so y'all can see how awesome it is. Let me use a brush. A lot of people aren't using a brush with this, and I feel like it works best when you layer it with a brush. And it looks super red at first, but it ends up just being a natural looking stain. And I like it better as a cheek stain than a lip stain. I think Conspiracy by Urban Decay would be a really good one. I really like this color. It's not a color, it's usually a color I'd be like really scared of. But I get a lot of compliments on it. It's like a rosy bronze color. Kind of looks scary though. I need a lip pencil. Alright, so I'm gonna put, where is it? I'm gonna search for a lip pencil and I'll be right back. Because it needs it. Okay, so I'm back. I lined my lips with Spice from MAC. Oh, sorry, I lied. It's Staunchly Stylish from MAC, and their lip pencil. I've had it forever, so that's what I did. And then I used Conspiracy from Urban Decay on my lips. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this random video of me rambling about traveling and where I'm going. So please like and subscribe if you like this video. If you've ever been to Iceland, if you're going to Iceland, like this video. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Just kidding, that'd be kind of weird. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Y'all have a great day. Bye.